Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today, in this video, we'll show you how to convert PDF to EPUB step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. First open your web browser on your PC or laptop. In the search bar, type Cloud Convert PDF to EPUB and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official Cloud Convert website. Step 2. Once the website opens, you'll see an option to upload your file on the home page. Click on the Select File button. A File Explorer window will open, so browse your computer, choose the PDF file you want to convert, and click Open. Step 3. After the file is uploaded, click on the Convert button to start the process. The conversion usually takes just a few seconds depending on the file size. Step 4. Once the conversion is complete, a Download button will appear. Click Download to save the EPUB file to your computer. You've successfully converted a PDF file into EPUB format, ready to use on ebook readers and other supported devices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful tech tutorials.